build your own Gunpla. Yeah, guys, today we're going to be checking out this new concept coming out later this year. Talk about in this December. Bandai will open up a Gundam Museum in Japan where you can not only watch staff members manufacture Gunpla kits inside his factory, but also create plastic mini mech of your own. So to create a plastic mini mech on your own, that's the portion we're going to take a look at today. So visit the flow. As you can see here, this is the bottom layer of the entry grade RX-78. I know that's the entry grade one because I built it like 4 times. So they have a study area. So this is pretty cool. So everything you're gonna be seeing here is like concept, guys. It's obviously not open yet. So Plamo Theater in introduction to the area. So this is probably where you're gonna go, sit down, watch the video. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have box seats that are better than these little boxes here. Walking around, okay, seeing tourists, couples pointing over there. All the Gundams lined up. This is gonna be so freaking cool. Oh man, I think this is probably gonna be somewhere in Japan. Of course, this is really cool. It makes me kind of excited now because, like, you know, I kind of wanted to go to Japan. They kind of stopped wanting to go just because finances and of course the world just becoming a more wacky place. We'll love to see this. So introduces the BHCPD2. I think that's where it's called. Yeah, that's what it's called. And the plastic model making process and lets the visitors feel our commitment to high quality production. So this is the study room, so just going around, probably reading what they do. More like, this is definitely the more museum-ish portion. I actually like museums, guys. If you're that kind of person who's like rocking out in a museum, or rocking out in a museum, goes to a museum, he's looking at stuff, learning stuff, like that's the kind of like person I am. If I can just take you out on a date to a museum and you like it, I think we might have a thing together. You know, that's the kind of thing I like. But a museum about Gunpla, that would be kind of crazy. So that's pretty cool. So this, you know, Gunpla has been around for a long time, the evolution of it, and especially how it's changed over time, especially compared to like things like Warhammer, like that's kind of been doing the same thing for a long time. Yeah, just like looking at the old model kits compared it to like the recent like real grade 2. Oh my goodness. So study roads, kind of the same thing. So it's showing you how, like, it looks like the history and historical progress. Okay, that laboratory area. All right, this is pretty cool. Hold on, what is this? That's a cool designer ID. What? Lets you become a plastic model designer and experience the plastic model design process. Experience this high area using a designer ID. See the designer pieces, look like you can cut them out. But that's pretty cool. About designing an ID that is needed to take the plastic model designer test. Holding up your design, let's check part of it. Okay, so you can get this ID. So essentially it's like a badge. That looks really cool. It's literally runners. That's really awesome. So modeling design. Design your own concept and design a shape and shape your plastic model. What the heck? Coloring design. Select the number of colors you want to play in plastic. I just wonder how it's going to look. Like, what are you making? Is anyone going to be making something similar? You just customize certain things. Mold design. Design the mold from forming the runner. The plastic model injection. Package design. What the heck? There's no way you're going through this super fast. The packages are designed to convey the plastic model's concept. Results, you can look back at the results of the plastic model. What's it? Double S! You get 1,200 points. Your model was awesome. Visitors can receive a regional package design themselves. That's what this is? I can't really tell. Oh my gosh. Okay, so they have dinosaurs, looks like. So dinosaurs, the regular Gundam, and like, so it looks like a Miku. Yeah, so like we're just gonna have the 3. So you're gonna have like your boys, your girls, and for your trouble kids. Plastic model gallery. Visitors can see. All right, what are the goods? Let's just click the button. Let's check it out. What are the goods here? So the goods. Okay, so that's it. The online shopping. Okay, let's go ahead and go back for a moment. So here you can do a ticket reservation starting June the 2nd, which is very soon. This video might be released to you guys. Not really sure. The lottery ticket. So you have a chance of getting these tickets here. Change the plastic model concept. This is pretty cool. I still don't know exactly where this is going to be. I'm pretty sure it's going to be somewhere in Japan. So super sad. Definitely not going to be in America. Like, it probably wouldn't even do that well over here, quite honestly, if it was over here. So good thing that's over there mostly. So here, they're just going through the tour floor again. And this is where it is. So here you go, guys. Snapshot of this. So hours are going to be from 9 to 5 p.m. here. Museum, and here is where it's located. View on the larger map. So if you guys can, I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. So if you guys understand the area of where it is in what is this? Shizuoka? Zooming out. There we are. It's in that portion of Japan, right there. But man, oh man, I am kind of excited. That would be kind of a cool thing to see. I think that'll be a really cool thing to see. What do you guys think? Like, do you think I'm kind of boring? Somebody who's really cooler and has a lot more money than me, please get over there and like live stream yourself doing everything, please. I will follow you, please. That's a giant Gundam. What the heck? All right, let me get out of here. Anyways, all right, guys, yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted this. This is kind of exciting. I'm kind of excited. I'm just like, a part of me is just kind of like, dag, obviously I can't go, but at the same time, it kind of gives me a renewed want to go. It's just a money thing. Money's getting tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. Just as time goes by, it's not like getting better. It's not because like money's like going down. It's more so everything is getting more expensive. Like, you just can't keep up with it. So you might see a lot more videos from me, even if they're just more reaction videos or kind of just touch base on things, give me some news on things. I don't usually do like mass news articles, but I'll probably like do like want to bring something like this up to your attention here. Oh, here's the new upcoming Gunpla kits. Doing that, you know. I don't really have access to that information, but if that's something you guys really want me to see, or go ahead and let me know, and I'll see if I can start like at least trying to gather the information and start doing that. Especially if you guys want to see it. If you guys want to see it, then I'll just go ahead and continue doing what I'm doing. Especially with a lot of Gundam trading card game coming out, we're going to be doing a lot of playing around with that. And of course, if we're going to be getting some of these mecha video games, we got to have some time for that as well. And of course, everything else is reserved for hitting the gym and of course working on our side business. But hope to see you guys around a lot more. And for you all who are able to go there, please give it a shot. Let me know how it is. Put it in the comments down below. Be like, this place was great. Make me feel super jealous. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Be sure to like, subscribe to this video if you want to see more of just mecha-based content in general. Well, the majority of our content is based on Gundam, but essentially it's just gonna be like all things mecha because I do like mecha. That's my favorite genre of like anime, essentially. So anything that has to deal with robots and mecha, you know, throw it my way. We'll give it a shot. It may not necessarily has to be Gundam or it has to be a trading card game. It could be a really cool mecha video game or a board game or whatever, and then we'll go ahead and check it out right here on TriloG. Anyways, all right, guys, I know life can be hard out there, but keep your head up, keep moving forward, and most importantly, let nothing stop you. Peace out, guys.